What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for joining me. In today's video, we're going to be giving my truck a facelift, so stay tuned. Alright guys, well here it is. This is my 2007 GMC Sierra. What we're going to be doing is we're going to be replacing the headlights with black housing headlights, blacking out the grille, and removing this ugly grandpa looking sort of bug shield. But basically for this build is what I'm doing is taking my grandpa truck that I purchased for towing, and I'm going to try and make it a little bit cooler, if you will, but without making it too crazy. If you've watched some of my other videos, I had a 2007 Chevy Silverado, which was a gas truck, so it wasn't very great for towing. It got me through everything, but now I have a toy hauler and I needed the Duramax, so I had to step it up. But the 2007 Silverado, I'll put some links down below of those videos. It was actually jacked up on 37s with a 6.5-inch lift, and yeah, anyways, this is my grandpa truck. I've done a couple other videos on the truck. We removed the side moldings on the side, and we took off the tonneau cover and stuff like that, trying to make it look a little bit cooler. What do you got going on there, bud? Look at that. You have the new Bry Guy 503 beer koozie. Well, in your case, Gatorade koozie, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
But it's a water koozie, orange juice koozie. I don't like use anything in my koozie.
Yeah, dude.
Yeah.
So, if you haven't already checked out the new merch on the website, make sure you hit the link below. We have beer koozies, and we also have new key tags. I'll show you those here. Check out that key tag. We got those on the website live now. And then we got beer koozies. We got the camo, black, and pink. But there you go. And now before you go ahead and click down below to pick up some merch, make sure you go and smash that subscribe button, the bell notification, and the thumbs up. Like the video. Thanks for watching, and let's get started on the video. So the first thing what we're going to do to help spruce up the front of this is we're going to get this ugly, what is this thing even called? Is this a bug screen or I don't know, windscreen or something? Anyways, we'll go ahead, take that thing off, and it'll be that much better already. Alright, well that was pretty quick. It was just 4 screws that were holding on the bug deflector thing, but let's go ahead and check it out. We haven't checked it out at all yet. It's going to be the first time I've seen it without the bug thingy-majigger on there. She's looking dirty. But look at that, it already looks better. See, so now what the goal here is we're gonna get rid of all the chrome, and then the red GMC in the middle, and then we'll be able to stand back and see it all blacked out. And I think it's really, really gonna look good. What do you think, bud?
Good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You think it's the right choice?
Yeah. When you like paint it black, it's like gonna get more better.
I think so too.
Yeah.
So let's go ahead and get the hose out.
Dad, you're in my way because my camera can't. Like,
Oh, your camera's down here filming?
Yeah.
Sorry, bud.
But you're turning away. Do it.
Sorry, I'm in your shot.
Yeah.
What do you think of the headlights?
Good.
All right, let's show everybody the headlights.
Good.
Here are the headlights. They are black housing. They still have the orange reflector in the side because I just like that look. But they also come in like a clear also, so that you wouldn't see the orange reflector. But there you go. The housings are blacked out, and I think they're going to look sick. I will put a link down below in the description if you want to check out the headlights or purchase them. But I think these were $110, I believe. Looking at the back of the headlight, you can notice that it doesn't come with any harnesses or anything so we're going to be using the factory harnesses that the vehicle already has. These are just protective little things on there, but there you go. So quickly, I'm not going to do like a step-by-step, but I'll just give you the gist of everything. There's plastic clips on this whole top part that you got to remove. Those just you use a little screwdriver and some pliers and pop those out. Then this comes off, and then once I get to the grill, I'll show you how the grill disconnects. But then for the headlights, there's a bolt here, and then there's also a bolt underneath the plastic here, and then there's also a bolt right in here. All right, so we got the plastic cover off. Now to get the grill off is what we're going to do is we have some 10mm bolts. There's 4 of those, one here, one there, and one over there. There's 6 of those clips. There's one more up here, so it goes about 2 clips here, 2 clips here, 2 over here. Now what you got to do with those is you take some needle nose pliers and you grip. Let's see if we can do it. Okay, so if you can see that, you just squeeze the clip and then you pull on the outside of the grill, and then that should slide that right out. To remove the headlights, there's these 2 bolts here. We're gonna just loosen those up, pull those out, and then this piece actually just slides off, just kind of pops off here, and then that will give us access to the bolt that's right here, and then the 2 other bolts are on the top of the headlight. One there and one here. Now to give you a better idea of what was holding the grill in, that last piece of it were these little clips here. Those push into the bottom half of the grill on here. So that's what was holding me up. But now the grill is off and we're ready to take off the headlights and put the new bad boys in. So for this side of the headlight, I'm using extension, makes it real easy. Just get right in there. So now what we're going to do is we're going to take the existing headlight or the old headlight and then transfer all the bulbs and the wires over to the new headlight, just making sure that you don't swap any of them around or anything. So we'll go ahead, start peeling the stuff off, and we'll have some new headlights. There we go. We have both headlights installed, and I have all the lights turned on just to make sure that they both actually work, and they do. So that's good. Now we can start working on the grill. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to actually black out this part because it's already black, but I am going to black out the GMC emblem and the chrome that goes all the way around it. And what I'm going to be using is the not so famous Plasti Dip. But I know I'm going to get a lot of hate for this, but I mean, I'm just doing an emblem a little bit, and for the, let's say, 5,000 miles a year that I drive my truck, I think it'll be all right. And it's cheap, and the reason for this is I couldn't really find a grill that I liked for the GMC. It's not like the Silverado, which has tons of options, but this is the route I'm taking. Let's see how we do. And before I mask, what I'm going to do is I'm going to wipe it down with some alcohol just to get any dirt and grime off of it, so that the Plasti Dip will actually adhere to it and peel off nicely when I actually want to peel it off. So I kind of have it half-assed masked off, but I just don't want to get any spray on the actual these parts of the grill. The rest of it I'm okay with, just like in the cracks and stuff like that, so it's not too bad. It peels off, so you can peel off anything that you don't really want, but I think this is good. Now we're going to start spraying. If you're new to Plasti Dip, it's a peelable paint, and then if you don't like it, you can peel it off, and I don't know, it's pretty awesome. There's a lot of negative reviews, but there's also a lot of positive reviews. I'll put a link down below to purchase it on Amazon so you can check it out. So I have my first coat on there. I'm going to let it dry for 30 minutes, and then I'm going to go ahead and probably do as many as 2 cans will allow, but probably 5 to 6 coats so that it's easily peeled off of there. And the thicker coats will help it chip a little bit less, I guess you could say. So I'm going to go ahead, and now let's jump to the truck and then start working on, there's a little chrome piece on the top of the truck that goes to the top of this grill that we can start working on. So this is what I'm talking about. You couldn't see it before because I had the bug guard on there, but this is the top part of the grill, which is part of the hood. So we're gonna go ahead and mask this off, spray that black also so that it goes with the grill. And then I think we're gonna be looking really good. I'm pretty excited about how these look. Can't wait to get it all put together and looking sick. All right, it's coming together. I just unmasked just now. There's 5 coats up on the front part and 5 coats on the grill. The grill's sitting over there getting some sunshine, just drying it out. But it's coming together. Now we're gonna open up the hood, start putting everything back together so we can see what this looks like finished. All right, I don't know if you guys are ready for this. It looks freaking sick. It's badass. So happy I did it. You guys ready? 3, 2, 1. Look at that. That looks so freaking awesome. The headlights line up nicely. The grill looks freaking sweet. Look at those headlights, dang. Yeah, so I'm really liking how this turned out. The only thing that I wish I would have done is just painted the entire grill rather than leaving it the factory black, but it still looks good. Also, I painted some of the little bracketry in the back so you couldn't see it as much, just a flat black. It's still drying, it's still wet, you can tell right there. But damn, she's looking nice. Goodbye grandpa truck for now. Got more mods coming soon, so make sure you hit that subscribe button. Check out other mods that I'm going to be doing. If you haven't seen the other mods, I've put exhaust on it, and what else did I do? Remove the trim, and we're going to be doing some lifting and some wheels and tires and some other goodies, so stay tuned. Make sure you subscribe down below. All right, there you go. Hopefully you enjoyed that, because I'm sure glad I did it. The facelift of the truck, oh man, it looks so much better. Hopefully the video does it justice, but I just want to say thanks for joining me. Thanks for watching the video and giving it a thumbs up, right? And subscribing down below, because you've done all that. Awesome. Anyways, thanks for joining me, and bye guys. Peace out.